I love the Virginia Beach Tuna Tournament. Yay!
Say, go Tuna!
Go Tuna!
Love the Virginia Beach Tuna Tournament every year for 15 years.
We love Virginia Beach Tuna Tournament!
These are our men. Our men.
They are.
Our men.
Our men. All of them?
Real men.
All of them?
Well,
Just for
we
y'all
have one of them. All men.
Mary, you're missing. My name is Ewing with the Virginia Beach Tuna Tournament. We're here at the weigh stations at Virginia Beach Fishing Center. Got 47 boats fishing today. We've got one on the way in with a big eye, Lulu. We're super excited to see that fish. Hopefully you guys join us next year for our 19th annual tournament, the third week in June. See, I have to keep it in my head on 5 I put it in my car for now. Hitting the brim.
Good. Got you squared away on the pink?
Yeah, lay it again.
There you go, Lisa. How much was that one?
39.
Ready? What was the weight on that one?
That's the way to it done.
Awesome. Can't believe it. All right, they are coming in. Oh yeah, man.
Sarah K. Yes. Let's do a shimmy.
Here we go. Day 2.
That dolphin kept attacking you guys because they were like, oh no!
Nice.
Oh, they just went out.
Angela.
All right.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. One more.
Awesome.
That's right.
What's it out there, Billy?
It was fun, Jim. We had a good time out there. Caught us some fish. We got some dinner out of it.
There you go. Looks good. Here we go for the big boy. You gotta get the prey. All right.
That's right there.
222.
All right, ready, guys?
Taking reel this one in now?
8 hours.
8 hours.
Yes, sir.
And that was all stand up.
All stand up rod. Yeah,
You gonna sleep good tonight?
Yeah, definitely. I like that. I like to go home and get a nice, good, massage.
And you had two on.
He had one.
Cat is a hell of a fisherman.
And we and basically
he's just a
one
good
come off and the other one stayed on.
He's
And
just
we
a
fought him the rest of the
Was
day.
it on an 80?
Wow.
50.
50?
That's my husband was on. 50.
And her husband reeled one in at 222.
Yep, 222.
That's beautiful fish yesterday.
Yep, Sam Hinkle.
Well, we might be looking at first and second place here. We'll know here at 7:30.
Yes.
Right. Yeah,
Congratulations.
He's the man. There ain't no other fish coming
That's it.
in.
It's over.
Oh, all the boats are in? Oh, okay.
We've got some good friends that have a lot of satellite communication. Dude,
Thank you.
y'all are the winners.
We've been here before, and the last boat that weighed in beat us.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to drink no shit.